Simply choosing to use the public key infrastructure is not enough to guarantee the security of communications. The encryption system used should be picked properly, along with the selection of the keys, which should be random and of a length that is considered to be secure. It is also recommended that the keys are changed every few months. The mathematics and how cryptography works was put into practice, and it is important to have an understanding of the solutions that have cryptography applied into them. Since computers became portable in the form of laptops and tablets, the risk of losing sensitive data due to the loss or theft of those devices, strong encryption became a necessity. Current operating systems provide encryption services, such as the Windows operating system providing BitLocker, and the Mac OS providing File Vault. Other tools could also be used as well to add further functionality if needed. Emails are another sensitive area that require encryption and digital signatures, especially if they contain sensitive information, but it should be ensured that all required parties are capable of decrypting the messages. Secure MIME or multipurpose Internet Mail Extensions is a widely used standard for email encryption, and Zimmerman's Pretty Good Privacy offers an option to encrypt electronic messages as well. Doing online transactions, especially those that involve financial transactions, demand a certain level of encryption as well. The secure sockets layer and the transport layer security are two technologies that are being used within web browsers to provide this functionality. SSL provides client-server encryption for web traffic over port 443, which uses the asymmetric encryption system to exchange keys and initiate sessions. TLS eventually superseded SSL due to its enhanced functionality, and later because SSL was found to be vulnerable. Protecting intellectual property is yet another cause to use encryption to enforce copyright restrictions on digital media. This is usually referred to as digital rights management, to protect media such as music, movies, and books. The final significant application of cryptography in today's technology is its use in networking. Users attempting to establish remote connections to servers or other systems need encryption to ensure that the communication is not compromised. One option is to establish a secure tunnel link, such as to secure communications between two company offices, and the other option is to provide an end-to-end encryption such as securing the communication between a server and a client. The link option is usually slower since it requires the encryption of the routing data of the connection itself. The IPsec standard allows setting up virtual private networks, where it supports both encryption and authentication. Wireless networking is also supported by cryptography, and it is even more critical in this case, since attackers don't even need physical access to the transmission media, as communications are going through the air. The wireless equivalent privacy was first used as the encryption algorithm, but later superseded by the Wi-Fi protected access algorithm, versions 1 to 3.